Hello children, this is Krupa Lakhani. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn Chapter 4 Features in Microsoft Word 2010. Copy formatting to another selection. The Format Painter tool is used to copy and apply text formatting and some basic graphics formatting such as borders and fields to another selection. Select the text or graphics whose formatting you want to copy. Click on the Format Painter button in the clipboard group on the Home tab. The pointer changes into a brush shape. Now apply the copied format by dragging the brush over the desired text. The formatting attributes of the previous text will be applied to the selected text. Applying subscript and superscript. The subscript option places the selected text slightly below the baseline and makes it appear smaller than the rest of the text. The superscript option places the selected text slightly above the baseline. To find a particular word or phrase in the current document, follow these steps. Click on the Find button in the Editing group on the Home tab. A drop-down menu appears. Select the Advanced Find option from the menu. The Find and Replace dialog box appears. Replacing the text. Besides searching the text, you can also replace the words or phrases with any alternate text. To replace text, follow the given steps. Click on the Replace button in the Editing group on the Home tab. The Find and Replace dialog box appears. In Find What box, type the text you want to search for. In the Replace With box, enter the new text to replace the existing text. Creating header and footer. Header and footer is used to place some information on top and at the bottom of every page respectively. You can include the title, chapter's heading, date, page number, author's name, etc. Inserting column. When you type in Microsoft Word, by default the text is displayed in a single column style or in a paragraph style. If you want to format the document in newspaper style, that is column style, Word enables you to create document in 2 or more columns. You can select the text and you can click on the columns button. A drop down menu displays the choices of columns. Select the number of columns you would like to insert in your document. If you want to customize the column, then click on More Columns option in the drop down menu. Inserting column break. If you have already added columns to a Word document, then you might have noticed that some of the columns are not so balanced as you would like them to be. One solution to this problem is to add a column break. It will force the end of the column and move the text to the beginning of a new column. Place the column before the text where you want to insert column break. Click on the Breaks button on the Page Layout tab and select the column option from the drop-down menu. You will observe that the text following the column break will begin in the next column. Setting page properties. Word offers features to set the page properties such as page margins, page orientations, etc. Setting margins. Margin refers to the amount of space which is left from the edge of the page and the document text. Microsoft Word allows you to set the margins on all the 4 sides of a document, that is top, bottom, left and right. Setting page orientation. The page orientation is the property to set the printing direction of the text. The default orientation is portrait, in which the document is printed lengthwise. When we choose landscape orientation, the document is printed widthwise. To change the orientation, follow the steps. Select the Page Layout tab. Click on the Orientation button in the Page Setup group. Choose the Landscape orientation and observe the change. Microsoft Word allows you to preview the document before printing. You can click on the File tab and select the Print option, and then you can select Print Preview and you can make the changes accordingly. If you want to print a document, click on the File tab and select the Print option. Choose the printer from the printer drop-down list. Enter number of copies in the copies box. Under the settings section, select all pages if you want to print all pages. Select print selection if you want to print only selected text from the document. Selecting current page only prints the current page from your document, and choosing the print custom range option prints the specified ranges of pages from the document. After selecting the required options, click on the print button. I hope you enjoyed learning features of Microsoft Word. Thank you. Keep learning, keep growing.